How to maintain a greenhouse. The hardest part about having a greenhouse is building it and filling it with plants. Once that's done, though, the work isn't over. Keeping a greenhouse clean, healthy, and regenerative is no easy process. Typical problems that greenhouse owners run into include poor sun access, bad ventilation, and pest issues. With a few regular chores, however, you can keep your greenhouse in good shape. These steps show you how to regulate your greenhouse's sun access, best practices for heating and ventilation, and how to deal with bug and pest problems. Method 1: Sun and Shade. 1. Scrub the windows of your greenhouse regularly to allow more sun. 2. Plant deciduous trees around your greenhouse to provide shade in the summer and sun in the winter. Hot summer sun, especially in the afternoon, can damage your plants. Plant some deciduous trees to the west of the greenhouse to block some of this light. In the winter, the trees will lose their leaves, allowing extra sun to get in. 3. Install roll-up shades inside the greenhouse to protect plants from summer sun when necessary. Method 2: Heating and Ventilation. 1. Regularly check and maintain all heating system components, especially before the winter. 2. Check for and fill any gaps in the greenhouse exterior. Use caulk for small gaps and new glass panes for larger holes. 3. Install a second door to avoid losing heat to a draft. 4. Paint indoor surfaces black to attract and retain heat. 5. Install roof vents at the ridge line of the greenhouse's ceiling and roof. A frequent problem with greenhouses is that hot air gets trapped near the ceiling, depriving plants at the bottom of warmth. Vents will allow hot air to escape and fresh outdoor air to come in, increasing air circulation. 6. Place small fans at diagonally opposite corners of the greenhouse. Use these constantly during the winter. The fans serve the same purpose as the roof vents, which you should close during the winter to conserve heat. Method 3: Bugs and Pests. 1. Prune dead leaves and branches and remove them from the greenhouse. Disease in one part of a plant can spread to other parts of the plant and even other plants in the area. Remove dead organic matter and place it far away from the greenhouse. Simply piling it by the side will still allow pests to get in. 2. Wash down tables and benches with soapy water to remove dirt. 3. Scrub and mop the floors regularly. 4. Remove weeds and other uncontrolled plants from the area around the greenhouse. 5. Release ladybugs and spiders into the greenhouse to control pests. Tips. A common problem with greenhouses is lack of proper heating during the winter. Having your greenhouse connected to the household heating system can make it hard to regulate the greenhouse's temperature and provide a comfortable, constant environment for the plants. Small, independent electric or gas heaters are a good idea for smaller greenhouses with relatively low energy needs. The best time to ensure that your greenhouse remains productive and healthy is when you build it. If possible, place your greenhouse so that it gets maximum exposure to winter sun, has some protection from afternoon summer sun, and is on higher ground to avoid water run off from other areas. Things. Basic cleaning supplies. Roll-up shades. Roof vents. Small fans.